Hey guys, this is Joe, owner at 𝐉𝐨 Social Media Agency and 𝐉𝐨 Entrepreneur. If you're watching this, that's because you have a one-time offer to get my Instagram monetization program at a 90% discount. The Instagram monetization program will show you how to make $100 per day selling shout out and promotional posts and also promoting affiliate link with your Instagram account. That's it. You don't have to build a business. You don't have to have a license. You don't have to have an offer. You don't have to pay for anything else, any software. There's no any up costs, and you can get started today because the program, it's a masterclass about 2 hours. So it's not a long course where it takes weeks to implement. You can literally watch it in a day. As soon as you make the payment, you just click the button under this video and you will get right away access to that, instant access to that. So I wanted to show you a few results that I got personally, and I will show you people that have bought this program and have great result on Instagram. So over here in 2019, this is what I made just in my PayPal account. So $297 in PayPal. In total so far, I made $495,000 in the past 3 years. I'm gonna collect, you see, this is my affiliate login. So we're talking about affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you that just with one affiliate offer, I made over, you see this month so far, I got $1,800 in commission, but we'll go check out the payment history that I got on this offer since I'm promoting it, which is, I don't remember exactly, a little bit less than that probably, but you see that since October, we actually made more than that probably. I think it was since the report. So you see that I made $82,700 just with this affiliate marketing offer. So these numbers that you see here are monthly payment. So you see that month I made $600. That month I made $400. That month I made $600. I'm saying hundred thousands of dollars. 6,600, 3,600, 6,900, 6,900, and these are just the affiliate marketing payment that I made on a monthly basis. And in my Stripe account here, you can see that I made $37,800 plus. Now, by the way, I'm gonna show you some results from other people that have took my course, but at any moment, if you are interested, just click the button to add that to your order. Look, I could show you BMW M Performance at $80,000 car that is sitting in my driveway at about 3 meters from me right now, right? I could tell you that I'm living from Instagram since 2016, but really, I think men can lie, women can lie, but numbers don't. So that's why I'm showing you those numbers, not to brag. If we go in my ClickFunnels account, you see today I made $3,000. I sold basically 3 programs at $997. Today I made $7,500 in the past 7 days and over $11,000 in the past 4 weeks. Now let me show you a bunch of results that people are sending me testimonials. Some of them, sometimes they're mine. You can see over here, we got over $1,200. You can see over here, $97, $97, $97, $997, $100. So another great day. You see over here, 497, 33, 497, 497. So again, another great day. This for payment that I get for my consulting services about Instagram, $1,500. You see another day over here with a bunch of payment. This is when we're ringing the bell. So you see over here, Friday, I closed my first client, first payment of $200, $500 on a $5,000 coaching program. So just click the button to add that to your order, guys, and you will be able to make around $100 per day promoting Instagram. You see $4,000 day over here. Someone was able to sell a $20 shout out, $45,000 month. This is Nicholas over here when he got his new Porsche, $40,000 outfit. He bought himself an Audemars Piguet at 22 years old. $500 referral, affiliate marketing commission, $800 week, $1,000 client, $4,000 client, $6,600 affiliate payment, over 1 million account reach in 1 week on Instagram, over 1,000 link click on 1,100 link click on Instagram in 1 week, business evaluation at over 1.1 million, 1.3K day. So these are results from people that are in this program making money from Instagram that either took this program or got my personal coaching. So click the link, get started. If not, there will be a button where you can just pass on this offer. But if you want to get that in the future, you will pay 10 times more. You will pay basically $500 instead of just paying $49 right now.